Hi, this is Professor Sanchez, and I'm going to give you a brief tour of our class so you know what to expect for week one. So this is our home page of the course. This is where you come when you log in. There is a video here for you to watch and some basic information about how to use all the tabs on the left. You can click on the syllabus. I would recommend clicking here to download a Word document copy of the syllabus. It's a little bit easier to read than the one copied and pasted here. Click on modules to do your work in the class. Right now you'll just see week one, although there are 15 weeks loaded for you. I'll open up the new week towards the end of week one so you can see what to expect for the following week. Every week there's a pattern, so you'll start with a description of what's to be expected. There will be a thought of the week, your reading assignments. Sometimes there will be a quiz, and then you'll also have at least one discussion and your assignments below. So week one, if you click on the description, you'll see a little bit of information about what our goals are for this week, and secondly, the things that you want to complete as you go through week one. You can click down here on Next to go to the next page in the course, and this is the thought of the week. This is just something to keep you motivated and inspired. For every now and again, we might struggle in the course or get a little stressed, and this is sort of to recenter you as you do your work. The third thing is the reading assignment. So you want to go through this and make sure that you're reading any links that I have here, as well as pages from your book for the week. Remember that this is a writing intensive course and it is a literature course, so given those two things you're going to have to expect a lot of reading and writing, but hopefully it'll be worth it and very interesting and engaging and worthwhile in the long run. The next page is a quiz. You can read the instructions here. And you'll see also that you do have 2 chances to take the quiz, so you'll want to start it before the due date so that you can get both of your tries in before the due date. The next thing is our first discussion, which is about getting to know each other. You'll read this article and then post the things that I have here. Make sure you check out the rubric below so you know how I'm grading you on the discussions, and these will be very fluid throughout the course. There is actually a second discussion this week where we're going to talk about a very short story that we'll read together. So again, you read the story, answer the questions, respond to at least 2 of your peers, and make sure again that you check out the rubric so you know how I'm grading you. Lastly, you won't be able to see other people's posts for this discussion until you post your own response, so just keep that in mind. The last thing for week one is an assignment. It's just a 1-page response paper that explains the story's meaning. So it's building on the discussion that we do. You'll do this 1-page writing assignment. So if you have any questions or problems, please let me know. I'm here to help you. I'm here to talk you through assignments, meet with you if you need it. If any of you want to stop by office hours this week, feel free. Even though it's an online class, you are always welcome to meet with me in person, or we could also set up an online meeting. Have a wonderful week.